Today in this video, we are gonna show you how to fix your Firestick if you are getting a no signal error on your scale. We are gonna show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your Firestick from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient. Here wait for the 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This will reset your Firestick. If not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Look on your backside of your TV. You want to make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into the back of the connector. Next, press the input or source button on TV remote. Go to HDMI port. Select the HDMI port number that the device is connected to. This fixes your problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.